This is how Mild Freaks do our hair.
Call up your friends and figure out whether you want to see Taylor, Katie, Kanye, and Jay-Z, or go to all those shows. Go to StubHub.com and grab your tickets today. Don't see the ones you want? Set a price alert and get an email when they become available. StubHub.
Thanks for calling the How to Get Biore Clean hotline. This week's topic, getting rid of blemishes. I wash my face constantly, but I still get blemishes. What gives? You need Biore Blemish Fighting Ice Cleanser. It removes over 99% of dirt and oil that can cause blemishes, helping to stop them before they start. I get it. When my face is clean, I won't have to worry about blemishes. That's right. And Biore Blemish Fighting Ice Cleanser gives you the detailed clean you're looking for. Biore cleansers really clean. Biore, get your best clean.
Who has the best back-to-school event in the business?
Depot Day!
Office Depot announces even lower prices on 75 top back-to-school items, plus weekly specials you won't need. This car says there's just $1. 12-pack paper-made mechanical pencils, just $1. Pencil box, 1 cent. That's right, 1 cent. It's the back-to-school event at Office Depot.
Okay.
Expires 9/3. Pencil box is 5 pencils on the free.
Catch it.
Free Mondays. Minneapolis Media Institute.
Music on.
It's not working. Hold on. Record. Jawn? Ah, look how weird that is. Okay, and then after that, to make his hair with the back of it. And that's how it turned out.